Today, we're counting down from the smallest excavator in the top 10 all the way to the biggest monster on Earth. Their size and power will leave you completely speechless. If you love truly colossal machines, hit subscribe right now, because the further we go down this list, the more their sizes will surpass your wildest imagination. Number 7 is the XCMG XE7000, the symbol of Chinese mechanical power in the ultra-large excavator segment. Operating weight around 673 tons, specially designed for massive mineral mines. Its large bucket delivers impressive digging productivity, especially when working with high-capacity haul trucks. The standout point of the XE7000 is modern technology, high reliability, and optimized operating costs. On screen, it feels powerful and modern, with quick, precise movements and strong digging force, creating satisfying action movie-like footage. It's widely used in mines across Asia and Africa. Number 6 is the Liebherr R9800 a true icon of German excavators. Operating weight around 676 tons, built for mines that demand steel-like durability and non-stop power. Its powerful dual-engine system and extreme load capacity make it a real hero in large-scale earth-moving. On screen, the R996B radiates solid, classic strength with deep digging and towering dumps that look incredibly satisfying. It serves many major coal and copper mines worldwide. At this point, the list has officially entered the realm of monsters. Number 5 is the Komatsu PC8000-11, a reliable Japanese mining excavator for large-scale operations. Operating weight around 692 tons, large bucket and smart control system deliver high productivity while saving fuel. Its precision and exceptional durability make it perfect for 24/7 work. On video, the PC8000-11 looks compact yet extremely powerful, moving smoothly like a giant robot. The list is heating up. Number 4 is the Komatsu PC8000-11, a true Japanese monster. Weighing 773 tons, 42 cubic meter bucket, and 4,020 total horsepower from two massive engines. It was born to pair perfectly with 240 to 400 ton haul trucks, delivering astonishing productivity in open pit mines. What makes it fearsome is its fast cycle speed and premium reliability. On screen, it feels modern and powerful with rapid movements. The list is getting seriously heavy now. Number 3 is the Liebherr R9800 G6, a German masterpiece. Weighing 810 tons, bucket up to 47.5 cubic meters and 4,000 horsepower. Designed to optimize productivity and fuel efficiency in large mines. Its massive digging force and steel durability are the standout features. On screen, it is extremely satisfying with powerful bites and towering dumps. The top 4 are true monsters. Number 2 is the Hitachi EX8000-7, a Japanese monster. Weighing 837 to 848 tons, 43 to 52 cubic meter bucket, and nearly 3,900 total horsepower from 2 engines. Famous for fast cycle speed and advanced technology. On screen, it looks like a modern giant robot with smooth movements. The top 3 are at a terrifying. And here is number 1, the king of all excavators in the world, the Caterpillar 6090 FS. Weighing 1,000 tons, 52 cubic meter bucket, 93.6 ton payload per scoop, and twin Cummins QSK60 engines delivering 4,500 total horsepower. This machine was born to dominate the largest open-pit mines on the planet. It pairs perfectly with 300 to 400 ton trucks and achieves astonishing productivity. Its unmatched power, modern CAT technology, and legendary durability make it truly fearsome. On screen, it feels overwhelmingly impressive, like a real steel monster swallowing entire mountains. The Caterpillar 6090 FS is the undisputed number 1. Out of the 7 machines today, which one impressed you the most? And what do you want to see next? Top bulldozers, mining dump trucks, or giant wheel excavators? Drop your comment below with the topic you want next, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss videos about the strongest, largest, and most advanced machines in the world.